The Bermuda Triangle, a region of the Atlantic Ocean shrouded in mystery, where countless ships and planes have disappeared without a trace. The mere mention of it sends shivers down the spine. For centuries, this ominous stretch of water has been the subject of legends, rumors, and haunting tales. But what if the truth was stranger than fiction? What if there is something sinister lurking within this triangle of doom? Join us as we delve into the top theories that experts have dared to propose about this unsolved mystery. The wormhole theory is a concept that has been popularized in recent years. The idea behind this theory is that a wormhole, or a space-time shortcut, exists in the Bermuda Triangle. This wormhole is believed to be a gateway to another dimension or time, and it is thought that ships and planes that enter it simply disappear from our world. The wormhole theory is also interesting, as it provides a possible explanation for the mysterious disappearances that have occurred in this region. Methane gas is one of the many theories that have been proposed to explain the strange disappearances of ships and planes in the Bermuda Triangle. Methane is a naturally occurring gas that is often found in large quantities on the ocean floor. It is believed that the ocean floor in certain parts of the Bermuda Triangle may contain vast amounts of trapped methane gas. This gas could potentially be released into the water and cause it to become unstable, leading to ships and planes sinking in a matter of seconds. The theory behind the methane gas explanation is that when large quantities of the gas are released into the water, it creates pockets of extremely low-density water. This low-density water is less buoyant than normal water and can cause ships and planes to sink without a trace. In addition to causing sinkings, the release of methane gas into the water can also cause explosions and fires, which could also explain the disappearance of vessels in the Bermuda Triangle. The idea of aliens being involved in the Bermuda Triangle mystery has been a popular one for decades. Many people believe that extraterrestrial beings may have abducted or captured ships and airplanes, causing them to disappear without a trace. This theory often brings up questions about the capabilities of aliens and their motivations for targeting the Bermuda Triangle. Some suggest that aliens might be studying human civilization or using the area as a testing ground for their technology. The Bermuda Triangle has a reputation for confusing compasses and making it difficult for pilots and sailors to navigate. One of the theories for this is the presence of strong electromagnetic forces in the area. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where a compass does not point towards true north, and this can cause confusion for those navigating in the area. This, along with the possibility of similar-looking islands, can result in pilots and sailors going off course, potentially leading to disasters. It is believed that these electromagnetic forces might be the result of a combination of factors, including the presence of underwater volcanic activity and the Earth's magnetic field. Waterspouts are often considered as a potential cause of incidents in the Bermuda Triangle due to their destructive potential. They are essentially tornadoes that form over water and can create dangerous conditions for boats and aircraft. The high waves caused by the Gulf Stream, as well as the possibility of hurricanes, could further exacerbate the danger posed by waterspouts. It is believed that these dangerous conditions could cause vessels and planes to sink or disappear without a trace. Waterspouts can be difficult to detect and predict, which makes them even more dangerous. They can rapidly form and dissipate, and their movements are often difficult to anticipate. This unpredictability makes it challenging for sailors and pilots to avoid them, and in some cases, they may not even be aware of the waterspout's presence until it is too late. The power of a waterspout can cause significant damage to a vessel or aircraft, and it is possible that some of the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle could be attributed to this phenomenon. Human errors, including navigation and communication mistakes, have been considered as one of the most common and plausible explanations for the mysterious disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. Despite the speculation and rumors of supernatural or extraterrestrial activities, many experts believe that human errors, including pilot error, equipment failure, and poor weather conditions, could have played a significant role in causing accidents in the triangle. One well-known example is the case of the 5 torpedo bombers that disappeared in 1945. The planes were on a routine training mission, but they vanished without a trace. The official report concluded that the planes had crashed into the sea due to the pilot's disorientation and confusion, caused by his lack of sleep and his history of getting lost during flights. Another example is a case of poor navigation and communication, where a small plane crashed into the ocean in the triangle after the pilot became disoriented and lost communication with the control tower. The Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's greatest unsolved mysteries. From the wormhole theory to human errors, there are a multitude of theories and explanations for the strange disappearances of ships and planes in this region. However, despite decades of speculation and research, the true cause of the Bermuda Triangle remains a mystery. If you enjoyed this video on the Bermuda Triangle, make sure to check out our other mystery videos on this channel to discover more unexplained phenomena and unsolved mysteries from around the world.